Alright guys, so there's not one, not two, but now there is three volcanic eruptions in three different locations. The first one was in Hawaii. The second one was in Indonesia. This one is in Stromboli, Italy. These are major eruptions. And these are signs of the end times, guys. This is no joke. And it does cause some serious concerns about Yellowstone. You heard it right. It's something that's been in my spirit. Yellowstone National Park.
Which turned into percolate flows reaching the sea and forming ash pools reaching at high 1,500 meters. A new lava flow is now active in upper half of Scaria. The volcanic observatory container reported that starting at 3:10 p.m. local time, lava began to erupt from the North Crater region in tandem with increased sputter and intense explosive activity from various vents of the volcano northern part of the crater. However, jumping by the webcam footage to increase in sputter activity had already begun early in the morning after about 6 a.m. Explosion came from the crater to at the top. Flames risen 2-3 kilometers above the sun throwing hot bombs on the outer slopes of the crater and often generating volcanic lightning. At about 4 p.m. a strong explosion occurred on the volcano. The